Hi, I'm James and I'm here for the Australian Fitness Network. We're currently at Virgin Active in Pitt Street, Sydney, and I'm here to talk to you about bike setup for your indoor cycling class. Generally, we set up our participants from off the bike first, and then we move on to the bike to get a more precise setup. So moving into alongside of your bike, we get the saddle level with our hip before we get on. And ideally the handlebars are level with the saddle. If they're an experienced cyclist, they can come down a little bit lower as well. Once your participant is on the bike is when we can fine tune our setup. So if you get your participant to go at 6 o'clock and 12 o'clock, this is where you place their heel on the pedal. And when the heel is on the pedal, the leg is straight. From here, you've then gained a correct seat height setup. Now we need to talk about the distance between the saddle and the handlebars. So when the feet are parallel to the floor, or 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock, what we need to find is where the pedal lines up with the back of the kneecap. So once you find that position, sometimes you may need to move the saddle forward or the saddle back. You will have this problem with clients being too far forward or too far back. When they're in that position, it really makes it difficult for them to create a full circle in the pedal stroke. If you're too far back, you need to push over the pedal stroke too much. If they're too far forward, they shorten the pedal stroke and they really limit what they can achieve in class. So take some time, get everyone to set up correctly and safely. And once you've achieved that with your clients, then your class alone becomes so much easier because you'll spend less time coaching technique to your class. As we all know, that's important in class. But if you spend less time coaching technique because people are in a safe position and an efficient position, you get to spend more time motivating your class. And we all know that that's a big part of our class. So with everyone in a safe and efficient position, everyone's going to ride a lot better in class. Over the years that I've been teaching, which is 10 years now, and as an outdoor cyclist, I compete in endurance mountain bike events. These events go up to 24 hours at a time, non-stop, no rest, no sleep for 24 hours. And in 24 hours, I will cover 300 to 450 kilometers. So with that many revolutions, setup is key. If people want results, technique is key, and setup is going to put them in that position every single time. Now that you have your bike set up dialed to participate in your class, be sure to make sure that all your participants are set up correctly as well. This is definitely going to increase their longevity and the chance of them returning to your class because they were comfortable and they had a great time. So once your setup is correct, you're ready to ride.